Flyability introduces Helios, the world's first collision-tolerant drone. Access confined and complex spaces without any risk of crashing. Helios features a full HD camera and a thermal camera embedded on the drone. The robot's live video feed allows the operator to get the drone to the most inaccessible places up to 5 kilometers when in direct line of sight. Gather close-up images for high-resolution data with a sub-millimeter resolution. Onboard LED lighting system and a complete remote control of the camera settings allows to navigate and inspect even in pitch-dark environments. Changing the batteries only takes seconds. Just unplug the used one, insert another of the provided batteries, and you are back to flying again. Helios is safe to fly close and even in contact with humans. It avoids expensive, hazardous, and time-consuming access methods such as scaffolding, rope access, or sky climbers. It is incredibly easy to operate, and after only a few hours of training, you will be able to perform your first jobs. The payload head tilts over 180 degrees. Helios avoids human entry in confined spaces for visual inspection, highly reducing the risk for workers. It can be operated beyond line of sight, using the robust video feedback to navigate. Instead of focusing on avoiding obstacles, you can use obstacles to find your way and roll on the surfaces in addition to flying. Stored on an SD card onboard Helios, the data from the flight can be immediately reviewed and analyzed by your team and exported to include in your reports. At Flyability's offices in Switzerland, our team has been developing this patented device for the last 5 years, designing 7 prototype iterations, improved through extensive work on the field with industrial customers. Helios increases workers' safety, reduces inspection costs, and helps reduce downtime. In the energy production industry, for the inspection of boilers, heat recovery steam generators, and other large structures. In the oil and gas and maritime industries, for the inspection of above-ground tanks, pressure vessels, as well as ship holds, ballasts, and voids. And in many other industries for the inspection and exploration of indoors, inaccessible, confined, or complex spaces. Inspect and explore places that could previously not be reached. Push UAV boundaries.